Hello guys, Google has finally launched the all new latest version of the Android OS. That's nothing but the Android Pie. In today's video, we are going to check all the new features of Android Pie.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates.
I have updated the Pie in the Pixel 2 device. Now we are going to check that. The first feature is the adaptive battery. This feature helps the phone to control the battery utilization and the overdraining of the battery which is consumed by the apps which we don't use frequently. This is a very wonderful feature and also helps in speeding up the phone and also helps in the performance enhancing. Our next feature is the system navigation. This is entirely redesigned with all the new text size and all the colored icons. And the gestures are also redesigned and modified as well, which are very user friendly and easy to access. And they also seems like they have been cloned from the iPhone X, as this seems like absolutely in the same style. Where we would find 3 controls in the previous versions, and there is only one left over in this version, which is quite easy to access no matter whatever the size the device is. Our next new feature is the AI powered app actions. AI in the sense the artificial intelligence. This system will work undergoing with that. And in this feature, if we set a command, the mobile will choose and function automatically. For example, if we set a command like when we plug the earphones to the mobile, it should automatically open the music app. The functioning is done very smoothly and automatically. Our next new feature is slices. That's nothing but the search slices. This is entirely related to the search. For example, if you are on a tour and want to search regarding to any place, if you type any place, the search results shows all the related search results regarding or with respect to the name which are encoded over there. And it also views all the each and every options which are available at that particular place. This is one of the very good update given in this version. Our next new feature is the background restrictions feature. This helps the user to set a limit usage period of time for any particular app. This also helps in saving the battery and also enhances the performance of the device. This is one of the better updates given in this version. Our next new feature is all about the verified purchase feature. This helps the user to purchase anything from the Play Store such as games, paid applications and many more which are available on Play Store, and this also helps to prevent the malpractices in the transaction modes and also to perform any secure transactions. And this also helps us to ensure our Face ID and the fingerprint for more enhanced secured transactions as well. This is one of the best and secure feature available from the Pie. Our next new feature is all about the smart reply feature. For example, if we get a message in the notification section, we can directly reply from the notification section itself instead of opening the messages app. By clicking on reply, we can enable the keyboard and we can type and we can send the reply instantly. This will also help in saving the time. This is one of the best features available also on the iOS. And our next update is the notifications and settings. The notification section is entirely redesigned and the colors are entirely new. The background is aligned according to the wallpaper which we set, and that will differ from black or white. And this can be also accessed in a very handy manner, and this is very cool compared to the previous. And the notification section is also very clean whether compared to the previous one. Our next feature is all about the media controls. Whenever we press on the controls of the volumes of the phone, we can find a scroll bar on the screen which enables us to increase or decrease the volume, and we can also access the ring, vibration and silent options from there itself. This is one of the handy features which is given in this Pie. Our next update is taking the screenshot. If you long press the power button for 10 seconds, we can see a pop-up on the screen which contains 4 options, and the third option is the screenshot option. By clicking on that, we can opt and take the screenshot of any screen on the mobile, and at the same time we can use the mockup tools and edit the screenshot which we have taken and also write some text over there. These are some of the top new as well as appreciative features which are given with this update in the Android Pie. When compared to the previous versions, the Android Pie is one of the appreciative, secure and feel grand addition which Android given us till now. Hello guys, with this video we are moving from the audio to the all new Android Pie. So please do subscribe the $1 Million Tech and also click on the bell icon for all our latest updates. Thanks for watching.